So hey guys, you might be wondering, when you install heated paver elements, what happens if you cut one of the wires? Well, today we're going to show you what we had to do on one of our jobs. We're working here with our infrared gun, and as you can see here, we'll get a nice close-up. The walkway is starting to heat up, so it's doing its job. However, just outside, we happened to nick the wire by accident. I personally did that myself, so I'm not happy with what I did. But we wanted to show you. Our electricians came in, they put on the splice kit. This will all get encased with concrete and a nice decorative rock. But you want to avoid having wire elements outside of the cemented pad. What we did here, we made a mistake and we poured an extra slab. I wanted to come in, clean it up, and my cleaning up caused an issue. So as you can see here in the gun, you can see we got good continuity. Everything's up and working fine. But again, that's how you make the repair with the warm-up heated elements if that happens. So now our client's back to 100%. His heated elements are going to work throughout his walkway for the years to come.